Okay, we are on Williams Lake, which is east of Traverse Reservoir. We're fishing for walleye and pike today in the boat, baby. This is just a test run to work out the bugs. We got a tune-up on Thursday at Auto Marine. Check them out, Auto Marine in Calgary. And then we're gonna be going up to Cold Lake for 7 days, camping and living on the boat and catching, cooking. But today, let's catch some walleye. Walleye? All right, we'll get back to you when we got a fish on. Oh, hey, what we're using today, you wanna pull it in? All right, so what we got going on here, just a typical jig head, twister tail. I think that's an 1/8 ounce, and that's what we're fishing. Casting out, lift, whip, whip, let her set down again. Typical jigging for walleye. Okay, Wendy's on a fish, okay?
Oh, that's big, babe. That's big.
Oh, it's a pike.
Oh, yeah, no wonder. I got pike. Okay, now what?
He's probably gonna snap you off. Oh, you know, I just realized we don't have
What's that?
my net. Okay, hang tight. Can you hold this and the fish?
There you go. Oh, he's huge. Oh, he put up a fight. You don't want to measure him?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, you're trying to grab him. Gotcha. What's that?
That's a really decent pike.
It is a real decent pike.
Here, hold this. You can put your hand under his belly. Yeah, lift up and grab him under the belly. Turn around so we can see.
Under which belly?
Yeah, there. I'll turn so we can see him. 30.5-inch pike. First, second cast of the trip.
Yeah.
High five.
Yeah.
Hey, and while we're up here, what's that? What is? Ha! That's the subscribe button. And if you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? And then, of course, what are we gonna do? If you got it on Facebook or you just want, you can just like it. Yeah. Is that your thumbs up? That's weird. Let's get another fish in the boat. Fishing with Paul B. And Wendy B.
Reel mine in or
Yeah,
doesn't
reel
live
in.
in?
Really? It's okay.
Bigger than mine?
No. So, Wendy still got the record, but yeah, right in the nose. That's why you want to get a pike if you get them.
Nice.
Fishing with Paul B, baby. All right, let's get these hooks out of his gal. Come on, buddy. There you go.
Slimy hands, high five.
High five.
Okay, man.
He's just coming up now. Oh, he was. Saw the boat.
Oh, okay, that's a gooder.
Pliers. Oh, never mind. He's bigger. Fishing with Paul B,
Oh,
baby.
crap, I couldn't even get it in the camera.
All right, let's go. Pike head shake. Boom, 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 like that.
Oh, okay.
And walleye are like, Does that make sense?
No.
Grab the pliers. There. Got yourself. Fish with Paul B, baby.
It's on.
All right.
My nose again. You're so bored.
Pike.
It's no high five, nothing.
Fish with Paul B, baby. Check that out. Can you have me the pliers so I can get this guy off?
Yeah.
Real. I think you got a walleye. Oh, that's a pike. It's a respectable pike. You can tell you've been fishing with me. Oh, and he's off. Catch and release. And you got your worms too. So leave it up to Wendy. She's sleeping on the floor with her bottom bouncer rig just hanging over the edge. And we decide to leave and Wendy says, I'll reel in. She goes, hey. She's got a fish. All right, let it go.
He wants to go back. Oh, wait,
Miss Wendy?
slimy hands. Yeah.
Pike on. Oh! See him? Catch and release. That's the way to do it.
I know.
You were just,
I was just laughing in your face. Oh.
you were busy laughing at me. You wanted to tell me about how you were going to catch the last fish. What's on the end of your line there?
Nothing.
Oh, there's still a worm too. Huh?
There was a fish.
I believe you. Look at me and tell me that.
There was a fish.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, it's the outro. We had a good day. We're gonna try and get one last fish. We're tied 5-5. So who's gonna get the fish? If Wendy gets the fish, you've got to like and click the bell. If I get the fish, you got to subscribe. But if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Let's see who gets a fish. All right, boat's out of the water. Wendy's back there having drinks with her sister. Nice lake just east of Traverse. This is actually called Little Bow Reservoir, but I saw a sign coming in that also said Williams Lake, which try and look that up and find the topographical of this lake. You know where you're gonna find Williams Lake, BC. But anyway, worked out some bugs, figured out some things we need before the cold lake trip, and you've been fishing with Paul B, baby. See you on the next one.
When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B.